welcome to the Shatkin First Monday Morning Minute. Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. We're excited you're with us this morning and we have more fabulous news. What we're going to do at Shatkin First after having a wonderful meeting this week, we're going to talking about value and how we're going to help you to get more patients into your practice. What we've decided is any doctor coming up to our course in November, it's an advanced course. It's on the 21st, the 22nd, and the 23rd. Gordon Christensen will be with us. You'll see Dr. Shatkin doing his live surgery. And you will also see Dr. Matthew LaSorsa discussing how to get around any type of problem that could occur in your dental office. And he's going to do that on Saturday, the 23rd. So we're going to have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's a 3-day course. You can earn up to 24 CE credits and learn more about minimally invasive implantology than you ever have. And we'll be excited to have you. But here's the best part. What our marketing department has come up with is in an attempt to help you. We know that Dr. Shatkin gets a tremendous amount of his patients through the infomercial. So we want to help you to get on TV. So what we're going to do is we're going to make you a 30-second TV spot when you're here in Buffalo at no charge. We'll edit everything for you. When you leave here at the end of the course in Buffalo, you'll be ready to go with a 30-second spot. We know how powerful the medium of television is, and we want you to have the ability to get this 30-second spot up on TV to get your dental practice busier. When you call in for the course, be sure to ask one of the sales associates, either Lenny, Joe, Nick, William, or myself. Just be sure that we get you signed up to do the 30-second spot, because we definitely want you to see more patients in your office. And we've reached the fourth quarter of the year, which means don't forget about the $179 tax deduction on equipment. It's gone up this year to $1.2 million. So if you're thinking about a Genere, a 3D machine, if you're thinking about a Cube from Acteon, if you're thinking about a surgical motor from our friends at Aseptico, all very, very excellent pieces of equipment that you should have in your office, and they should be part of your mini dental implant and mono dental implant plans. It's great to have them all, but also take that tax deduction. It's huge, and you can save a lot of money in the first year. If anybody has any concerns or any questions about it, please give us a call at Shatkin First, and we'll set you straight on it. Yeah, and don't forget, we have a few seats left for Dr. Matthew LaSorsa's LPRF course in Orlando, Florida on November 8th. It's a 1-day course on Friday, but let me tell you, if you want to use this bone grafting material using the patient's own blood and spinning it and getting it back into the mouth and grafting with it, there's nothing better. Matt and his staff, they're going to talk about every option of using LPRF, and you'll be very, very impressed. Even what they do for the face with facial rejuvenation. So if you're interested, give us a call and we'll get you set up for Matt's course on Friday, November 8th. And don't forget our advanced course in Buffalo on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Gordon Christensen will be here, and it's going to be a phenomenal 3 days of education. And we hope to see you all up here in Buffalo and have an awesome week placing mini dental implants and mono dental implants.